Hey guys, in this video, tips that I'm going to give you to help make conversations easier and to make you more charming. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anna Jorgensen. I'm a dating coach for men in Vancouver, Canada. Okay, let's just get right into this. Tip number one. Give compliments. Everybody loves receiving a compliment, but the key is it has to be genuine. And if you can give a girl or a woman a compliment that's not physically based, then she's going to appreciate it even more because women are very sensitive to being sexually objectified. So you could even say you have great style. That actually compliments her aesthetic and creativity. You can say she has great energy, or you like the way she does her hair, or those are physical, but it's not you have a great body. So try to find a compliment that is not a physical compliment. Tip number two, ask for an opinion. People love giving opinions. You can ask for an opinion on, does this shirt really work with this outfit? Or you can ask for an opinion on what's the best drink in the house. You look like an expert drinker. Okay, maybe don't use that one, but you can ask for an opinion on something, and people do love giving their opinions, and she'll also feel respected because you've asked for her opinion. Which brings me to number three, solve a problem. Ask her to help you solve a problem in your life. It might not be a big problem. It could even be something you just made up that's not really a huge problem, but maybe something that you've kind of been curious about. And you could just say, I've kind of been struggling with this thing and I'm wondering what you might think about it. What would you do? People love helping others solve problems, and women love solving problems, even if they don't actually end up resulting in anything that you're going to use. It doesn't matter. If you can get her on your team, then you're solving a problem and she feels validated. Tip number four, ask for a small favor. For example, if you're in a restaurant or like at the bar in a restaurant or in a nightclub or something, you could say, hey, would you mind watching my drink while I go to the bathroom? And you could even make it fun by saying, don't put anything in it. And of course, that brings me to number five, which is return the favor. So what usually happens is that when someone does us a favor, we want to actually return the favor. And so she'll be more likely to stick around, because if she can't return the favor, she'll at least return the favor by chatting with you more. So if she needs to go to the washroom, you're not going to say, I'll watch your drink, because women need to feel safe. So don't say that you'll watch her drink, but say you'll save her seat or something like that. So return the favor in a way that you can. That's just simple. Six, find something that you have in common and share a story about that. And if you don't really have too much in common, you could also look around the room and make up stories about other people. You could say things like, do you think those two are really a couple, or are they having a secret affair? Now, the fun thing about this is that you're in it together, making up something about someone else. Now, if you choose to use the make a story about somebody else in the room together, then you could make it kind of naughty or whatever you decide to do with that story. Kind of brings me to number seven, which is to share a secret or a joke. So if you share your secret is going to be this story that you made up about these other people in the room, then that's something that's just between you and her that you can refer to later about those people and make it your little inside joke or your inside secret. And if you can make her laugh, of course, that's always a good thing, because laughter feels good and releases endorphins, and she'll associate that with you. Now, another thing you can do, number eight, is to not always agree with her. So if you can find something to disagree with her on, then that will show that you have a backbone. And the key is that you want to keep it light and playful. So if there's something that you disagree with, like let's say she likes electric cars, and you're like, I like the gas guzzlers. So you're having a discussion about this, and you could be like, well, even though you're wrong, you're cute, so I'll let it slide. The key is you need to keep it light and playful and never belittle her for her opinion, because that will make her feel bad about herself. So you can disagree, but still make her feel good about herself, which will translate into her being allowed to have a different opinion while still feeling good with you. Bonus points for that. Number nine, find a way to move into a subject that you're an expert about. So if you can share some expertise knowledge about any particular subject, that is going to be impressive, because that shows that you've been committed to learning about something, and of course that is attractive. Which brings me to number 10. Talk about something she's an expert in. Of course, people like talking about things that they know a lot about. There's a reason why they know a lot about it, because they're interested in it. So if you can get her talking about something she's interested in or knows a lot about, then that will show her that you're interested in her beyond her looks. And bonus tip, instead of just asking questions like, what do you do for work? Those are kind of boring and standard. Instead, you can ask her, what do you do, but why do you like it? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? So ask questions that propel her or compel her to want to divulge more about her personality and her genuine interests, as opposed to just what she does for a living or what kind of hobbies she has. Ask her what she likes about them or what she dislikes about them, depending on where the conversation goes. And watch the next video. Extra tips. That was so cheesy.